so yummy.
Oh no, my cake!
It's okay. Let me help you. I'm back. Here's a little gift for you.
Thank you so much. I'm going to make a new cake now. Together, let's craft a soft, dreamy sponge cake with a fresh green glow and a heavenly aroma. A cake without chocolate? Impossible! Let's create a velvety, molten chocolate drizzle that will make every bite divine.
Meanwhile,
Look at that! Such a big Oreo cake. I want it red.
No, it has to be yellow. Green. No, it's purple. It's mine. Hey, Mia, I have a gift for you.
Great, thank you. Wow, what a beauty this cake will be. The sponge has baked to perfection, soft, golden, and ready for its grand makeover. Come on, let's add that extra touch of sweetness to turn this cake into pure magic. It's time for the most magical moment. Let's give our cake a dreamy chocolate glaze and crown it with a cheerful rainbow Oreo for the sweetest finale. Ta-da! The cake is done, and it looks absolutely irresistible. Tasty! Yummy!